So this is going to be the beginning of my square drop camper. This is the frame laid out. It's going to be a 10 by 70 wide square drop camper. And here I got the framing tacked in together. Now I've added some cross members that I just got tacked in place. Probably weld it up, put it up on stands tomorrow and weld it away. Looking like a trailer. It's about beer 30 now though, so gotta go. So I got all the stringers welded on, the brace supports welded in. I think it's going to be plenty strong enough. The frame is about 5.5 feet wide, just a little bit over, and 10 foot long. Next, I'm going to try to find out where the balancing point is. I think I'm going to go 60-40 for my axles, but I just want to see roughly what the trailer itself is and how much ton weight just bare trailer it is before I get ready to weld the trailer axle brackets on. So we'll do that tomorrow, and we'll keep working at it. All right, I got the trailer tongue on, hitch all on, axles mounted. Got it squared up. Just gotta wait to get some tires so I can get it up in the air. Haven't found any tires yet to put on it, but we'll get some. And once I get some tires on, should be ready to roll down the road, see how it pulls. Should pull good. Did a 60-40 on the axle, so definitely got some a little bit of tongue weight, so go from there. So I got my 3/4 board laid down, and I'm not going to insulate the floor. I'm just going to cover this with a 1/4 inch board, cover the seams, tie them all together. I'm going to lay some glue down first and glue the 1/4 inch board right to the 3/4, so it should be a good 1 inch solid floor. So I'm laying 1/4 inch plywood over top of the 3/4 plywood. I'm gluing it down and screwing it down. And so to tie in all the seams from the 3/4 plywood to make it good and solid, that'll make it a true 1 inch flooring for the camper. I don't really care what it looks like. I use scraps, but I'm gonna use linoleum over top of everything anyways. And then the front half of the camper is gonna be mostly bed, and then the back half is gonna be cabinets. So there's really not gonna be a whole lot of area that is exposed anyways. So this is what I got.